Chapter: Basic Steps to Draw Human Body Parts. Module: Study of Body Actions, Part 2. Welcome back, friends. In the previous module we learnt about line of action. We shall draw a few more figures using line of action. Draw an oval face and form a curved line depicting the spine and the angle at which the body is bending. The legs are drawn this way, depicting the forward motion of the body. These are the arms. We can also give various expressive gestures for the basic figure. This is a warrior standing with a sword. Look carefully how the shoulder line is bent at an angle. This exercise is great to do in places like airports, train stations, etc., where we can see people in motion and positions. You will not need a lot of time to sketch the direction of the body in motion. Just focus and observe. You would be able to capture movement quickly. Here's another human body in action. Look at the curve of the spine, the angle of the shoulder, and the legs. I hope this is easy for you. Let's draw another figure with different gesture. The arms are drawn in upward direction. The spine is curved. The legs are bent towards the right side. This figure is almost complete. Kindly practice drawing and basic formation of body structure. We will work with these figures in further detail from the next module. View this video multiple times. Practice several times to be thorough with the concepts. Thank you.